Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a skincare essential that has earned the reputation of being the best stretch mark cream. With vitamin E, Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula with vitamin E plus Q10 Firming Butter Body Lotion. Let's start with the big picture. This lotion isn't just your average moisturizer. It's a thoughtfully crafted blend of deeply nourishing ingredients designed to support skin recovery and firmness, especially after pregnancy or weight loss. Whether you're postpartum or simply looking to restore your skin's elasticity, this formula aims to be your go-to. At the heart of this product is Palmer's signature cocoa butter, rich, creamy, and known for its ability to deeply hydrate and soften the skin. It's combined with raw shea butter, which adds essential fatty acids and nutrients, delivering a powerful moisture barrier that helps to improve skin texture over time. Then, we have the hero ingredient. Vitamin E. It's widely recognized for helping reduce the appearance of scars and stretch marks while protecting against skin damage from free radicals. But what really sets this lotion apart is the addition of Q10 and elastin. Q10 is a coenzyme that energizes skin cells and supports regeneration. It pairs with elastin, a protein naturally found in our skin, to visibly tone and firm areas prone to sagging. This combination makes it especially effective for restoring skin after it's gone through stretching or other changes. The result? A smoother, firmer, and more youthful appearance, all with a lightweight formula that absorbs quickly and doesn't feel greasy. As for the scent, Palmer's has opted for a light cocoa fragrance that doesn't overwhelm. It gives you that subtle, comforting aroma every time you apply, making it feel like a mini spa experience. The texture is rich but spreads easily, meaning a little goes a long way, and because of that, the 10.6 fluid ounce bottle is great value. Now, let's talk about who this is for. Although marketed heavily for postpartum care, this lotion is great for anyone dealing with skin slackness or dryness, men and women alike. It's also safe for all ages and skin types, and since Palmer's uses ethically sourced, high-quality, plant-based ingredients, it's a brand you can feel good about supporting. One of the standout aspects of Palmer's as a company is their heritage and commitment to real ingredients. With over 180 years of skincare expertise, they've developed a wide product range that's trusted across generations. From body butters to oils and stretch mark creams, their goal remains the same: delivering effective, affordable care with transparency and sustainability in mind. In terms of application, it's best to use this lotion daily. Right after a shower is ideal, when your skin is still damp and can lock in the moisture. With consistent use, many users report visible results within a few weeks: firmer, more supple skin that feels truly nourished from the inside out. To sum it up, if you're looking for a reliable, effective, and natural-based firming lotion that goes beyond basic hydration, Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula with vitamin E and Q10 ticks all the boxes. From the carefully selected ingredients to the focus on ethical sourcing and whole body care, this is more than just a moisturizer. It's skincare with purpose. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you've used this lotion or plan to try it, drop your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product insights just like this. See you in the next video.